Alright guys, welcome back. Another in the series. Today we'll be looking at something that everyone thinks they have a lot of it when we really don't. It is the most precious thing, and yes, it is the most wasted thing. Yes guys, we're talking about something that never ever stops. It is continuous. It is time. Today we just really limit it to hours and minutes, but we have seconds and so forth. But we won't look at the seconds because we're just gonna stay within the syllabus. Alright? So time, we're gonna looking at addition and subtraction of time. Now let us say we have, before we even do that, let us discuss. So the most important thing is to remember is that 60 minutes equal 1 hour. That is the most important thing based on what we'll be doing today. That 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Do not waste your time, guys. Well, the fact that you're watching my channel means you're not wasting your time, right? Alright. So let's go. Let's say we had 3 hours. 3 hours and say 20 minutes. You know, I always start off simple. Plus 4 hours 25 minutes. As usual, we start out very simple. So what we need to do, guys, we need to have, just like how we have ones and tens, we're supposed to have our minutes and our hours. So we separate them, right? You can do it like this if you wish. This is my style. Alright. So what we do is we put in the hours over here and the minutes over there, right? So it will be 3 hours 20 minutes, 4 hours 25 minutes. Then we can add. So that will give us 5 plus 0. Start from this, right? So it will be 45 minutes. And this will be 7 hours. So basically the answer would be 7 hours and 45 minutes. Alright, let us look at an example where it's not so comfy. For example, we get more than 60 minutes over this section. I think that's the killer. So let us kill the killer, alright? So let us say we have 7 hours plus 35 minutes plus 2 hours and 40 minutes. As I said before, we separate them, so we put hours of our minutes, so it will be 7 and 35, 2 and 40. We do the same, we add just as if the same, right? So it will be 5, 75, 7 and 2 would be 9. But we are not finished because we have 75 minutes. Now, as I said at the start of the video, 60 minutes make 1 hour. So what we need to do is to subtract, because this is actually 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, right? So we can write this as 9 plus 1 hour and 15 minutes. So in all, we'll have got 10 hours and 15 minutes. Alternatively, what we could have done is to say, look, listen, if since it's 60 minutes make 1 hour, we subtract 60 from this, and that gives us 15. So this 1 hour, we add it to the 9. It's basically the same thing. So it will be 10 hours, 15 minutes. Whichever way you feel comfortable, you can do it. Alright? Let us look at another one. So we have time. Alright? You get it? We have time. Remember we did say addition and subtraction. So say we have 5 hours plus 48 minutes. 5 hours 48 minutes plus 6 hours 35 minutes. Again, we separate them in hours. So we have the hours here. And guys, please, you can just write the labeling. I don't know you guys like you guys do work very unstructured. Come on, man, get up over that. Alright, so this will be 6 and 35 minutes. So we basically separate them again. So 5 plus 8 will be 13. That will give us 5, so that's 83 minutes. 5 and 6, 11. Remember, once it's above 60, once this exceeds 60, we are not finished. So we subtract 60 and we get 23, right? So the 1 hour will go to this, so it will be 11 plus 1 plus 23 minutes. So these are hours, and we get 12 hours, 23 minutes. Ta-da! Simple something, guys. Alright, let us look at subtracting. Addition is easy, right? So let us look at subtracting. Let's say we were given 7 hours, and guys, it doesn't really matter. 7 hours, 30 minutes. We're gonna do a simple one first. Minus 6 hours and 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. So, as usual, make it stick. We separate them. So we have 7, 30, and this is hours, this is minutes, 6 and 15, and we subtract, right? So this will give us 5 and 1, 15, and this 1. So it will be 1 hour, 15 minutes. Let us look at a more complicated one where it's not as comfy as this, right? Let's say we had 8 hours, 20 minutes minus 6 hours, 45 minutes for argument's sake. Yeah. Alright, so we do the same thing, guys. 8 hours, we put hours, minutes. So this is 20 minutes, and this is 6:45. And we take away. Oh my God, can I take away 45 from 20? Back up, back up. Whoa, we can't do nothing more. How we gonna solve this? It's impossible. Alright, don't panic, guys. It's simple, right? We cannot take away 45 minutes from 20 minutes. So we have to call for backup, right? So we're going to borrow 1 from this. Leave 7. But remember, we borrowed 1 hour. And 1 hour is the same thing as 60 minutes. So what we're going to be doing is to add this 60 plus 20. And we get 80, right? So now we have 80 minutes over here. So I could just put this over here. 80 minus 45. And that will give us 35. And 7 take away 6 will be 1 hour and 35 minutes. Alright, I know you guys are watching. I love the interaction. Thank you guys for making this channel and a very upcoming channel. Guys, trust me, this is gonna be really good. You're a part of something that is improving daily, and it's gonna be real good. And I'm so happy to have you guys. Alright, let us give you 2 to do. You can leave this in the comment section, and I realize it's getting very active. So guys, it's gonna be good though. I have big plans for you. Alright, so let's say 6 hours plus 30 minutes plus 5 hours and and 45 minutes. You guys can math that, right? 7 hours, 23 minutes, minus 6 hours, 35 minutes. Alright, you guys can leave that in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Again, thanks guys, this is a wonderful feeling. Thank you.